friends, good evening. In the last video we saw some DAX functions in Power BI. Let us continue with the same topic, DAX functions in Power BI. For DAX function practical, I am going to upload the data first. This is a sample data. You can find the link in the description box where you can easily download that file. You have to just close and apply. For DAX function, we have to go to table view or data view. Here we have to add new column and start with the date. For date, we have to first enter column name dot date and press enter. Here we easily fetch date and time. If we want only date, then you have to go to data type and just select date. Here is the output. Next column, we are going to see week number. You can give name of the column as per your convenience. So here we have direct function week num, then enter column name for which we want to know week number, bracket complete and press enter. So as per the data, 20th May 2021, this date is the week number 22. 12th February is the 7th week of the year. Next, weekday is equal to, we have a direct function available in Power BI DAX weekday. Then enter the column name, date of joining, dot date, comma. So here you have to select 1, 2 or 3. So if you want additional information, you have to click on this arrow. So here first day is Sunday and the last day of week is Saturday. So it depends on the country. If you click on again, you have to type same function here. Weekday, date of joining, dot date, comma, and for 2, Monday is the first day, and for 1, Sunday is the first day of week. So 2 is okay for this assignment. Just complete the bracket and press enter. So 20th May 2021, the 28th May is the 5th day of week. 12th February is 2nd day of week. New function. Let's check today. Today is equal to, we have direct today function, bracket open and close, press enter. You can find this type of functions in Excel also. So here is the date. If you want only date, you can change the format here or data type. So today is 10th July 2024 when I am recording this video. Next function. Now. So it gives date and time, current time and date. So this is the today's date and the time while I am recording this video. Next we see working days. For that we have to use date difference function is equal to date diff. First you have to enter first date. So column name is date of joining dot date comma last working day dot date comma, and we want working days in terms of day, how many days particular person work in our company, bracket complete and press OK, enter. So first employee work for 948 days, second employee one for 1734 days associated with the respective company. So this is the way to use DAX functions in Power BI. I am deleting one by one functions for visualization purpose. So till now we have covered today, now, date difference, weekday, week number, weekday and date. So you have to do practice for this. Next, suppose we want to find age of the respective employee. So we have to use date difference function. Date of birth available in our data, and for measuring age we require today, and we want to measure this age factor in the terms of year, bracket complete and enter. So first employee is of 26 years, Linda call, age is 28 years, etc. This is the way we can find age of the person using Power BI DAX. Then we see how to add days in the date column. Suppose I want to add 5 days. So you can find this function date add here. Column name is date of joining, dot date, comma 5. This is the number of intervals, and 5 we are currently I am going to add 5 days, so I have to select day here. If you want 5 once add in the date, so you have to choose month. Similarly, quarter or year, if you want to add 5 years or 5 quarters in the respective date, then you have to choose as per your requirement. So here I have selected day, bracket complete, and enter. Here data, I'm going to change the type. Data type is day now, date now. So you can see date of joining is 28 May, and when I added 5 days, it shows 2nd June 2021. Suppose I want to add 1 year, is equal to date add date of joining dot date 1, comma, and here we have to select year because we want to add 1 year in the current in the respective date, and press enter. So here we have successfully add 1 year in the given date. Next function is start of the month. Start of month is equal to, we have ready-made start of month function, then enter the column name, date of joining, dot date, bracket complete, then select correct data type, date. So here for 28 May 2021, start of month is from 01 May 2021, obviously first day of month. Then last function for this video, end of the month. For this also we have ready-made end of the month function, end of month, then enter the column name, date of joining, dot date, bracket complete, and press enter, and change the data type to date. So 31st May is the last day of the month, 28th February is the last date of the February month. So here using these functions you can easily find start of the month and end of the month in Power BI using DAX. So guys, try to practice this assignment 10 to 15 times. Subscribe my YouTube channel Jobs at Punyanagari. Like and share my videos. Thank you.